Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the 9th lesson, Symmetry and Patterns. Okay. So reflection. What is reflection? The image of an object formed in the mirror is called its reflection. Okay. So these are the reflection images. Now practice 1. Tick the figures that are reflections of each other. A and C. Okay. Next. Draw the reflections of these shapes with a dotted line as the mirror line. Note the position of the mirror in each case. So, we have to draw the reflections. Okay. Understood? So next, symmetry and reflection symmetries. What is symmetry? The line that divides a figure into two identical parts, we called it as a symmetry. Okay. Next, do it practice 2. Put the tick on the figure that are symmetrical. Also, draw the lines of symmetry. A, B, C, D, G, H. Understood? For this, we finished our second practice 2, symmetrical. Tomorrow we will see patterns. Okay? Thank you.